Guys, this is a Lexus IS220D. Now we are reading the code VSC, and the traction control lights come on when we got problem with the EGR. We clean the EGR valve now, so I'll go to the read code, up, store code, yeah, go on. Yeah, exhaust circulation P0405. Yeah, go back again. Escape, yeah, go back again. Yeah, go to erase code. Erase it. Yes. So we'll erase the code now. If you look at it now, we just connect the EGR back. We assemble the solenoid and the body together, but we are not going to put it on the exhaust manifold. You connect it together to clean the exhaust manifold. Start it up. Again. Okay. Still is not starting. Oh yeah, now I see it. Put the ignition on. Off again. Yeah, I can see that EGR valve is playing. Go on again. Yeah, turn it on. Start again. Okay, it's not starting. So we more or less clean the exhaust manifold. I think better we put the valve back. Maybe it doesn't read it. Put the valve back.